This is a double wire chain link fence making machine. Today I'm introducing this machine for you. Firstly, let's begin from the wire coils. This is the wire coils. Wire coils feeding this arm, and then the wire comes to wire straightening rollers. Here is the wire straightening rollers. Here is the servo motors. The brand is Philly made brand. Power is 5.5 kW. After wire feeding, here is the mold. We call this mold. The material for the mold is alley. Here is a double mold and one metal plate inside. Look at here. This is the water lubrication. We have a water pump below. We can see this. This is the lubrication water. After the mold, the wires bending in shapes and come here. We cutting from these parts and then weaving together. After weaving together, we make bendings here. It also can be produced with twisting edges. We only need to change this small part. One machine can be assembled two edges twisting and edges not bending. Now let's look at the display. Chinese and English bilingual languages. This is the motors for mesh rolling parts. This roller is for mesh rollings. Mesh rolling also can be produced as compactors. These parts. That is the overall views for our automatic chain link fence making machine. If you have any request chain link fence making machine, please feel free contact me. I'm Catherine. I'm always here waiting for you. We also have a machine in stock for selling. Look at here. Also, machine colors can be painted as your request.